Hey, I'm Sam Parker, CEO of My Credit Guy. I bet you're watching this video because you're a little worried about adding a mortgage inquiry to your credit. And let me just stop for a second and tell you, quit sweating the small stuff, okay? In the grand scheme of things, when it comes to credit and credit scoring, adding one hard inquiry or a mortgage inquiry is only gonna cost you anywhere from 0 to probably 2 or 3 points. And in a 30 to 45 day window, but at least 30 days, and I say 30 to 45 because the credit bureaus don't ever give us the exact answer, but you have at least a month to have credit pulled multiple times in the mortgage industry, and it's not going to count as an additional hit against your credit. So quit sweating the small stuff. Now, what you can worry about are credit cards that are maybe being used a little bit too much, collections, late pays, things like that on the credit report. But I promise you that the mortgage inquiry that you need to pull anyway to see if you're qualified is not going to be a big deal in the grand scheme of things. So go ahead. If the loan officer that's showing you to this is taking the time to explain this to you or to have me explain it to you, they obviously care about you, want to make sure that you're comfortable with the process. But I'll tell you right now, they can't qualify you for $100,000, $200,000, $300,000 home loan without taking a peek at your credit. It's a necessary evil. So go ahead, have credit pulled. Don't have it pulled again if you don't want to. Just stick with one lender throughout the process, and that's going to be a really great route to go. If you need anything else or have questions about this, you can always get a hold of me or the My Credit Guy staff at 866-726-7339. Thanks.